Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Halo the Master Chief Collection, only way. First, launch the game and pick only way from the campaign list, then choose your difficulty and controls preset. Set aim sensitivity and toggle aim assist to suit your playstyle. Learn movement, shield timing, and cover tactics through early missions. Practice grenades and melee combos to conserve ammo and finish enemies efficiently. Mastering core mechanics makes only way manageable and fun. Focus on strafing, timed shields, and smart weapon swaps to survive intense fights. Use melee to finish weakened enemies and grenades to soften groups before entry. Learn each weapon's effective range and pair it with appropriate movement to dominate encounters. These habits cut death frequency and keep your combat flow steady while you learn level layouts and enemy patterns. Advanced tactics take your gameplay from basic to skilled without confusing complexity. Use verticality and sightlines to pick off enemies and avoid large groups. Crouch for precision shots when facing elites or snipers, and bait boss attacks to reveal safe windows for heavy weapons. Learn to combine grenades with melee for quick clears and practice situational weapon swaps to maintain ammo and control. These refinements speed progression and lower frustration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.